what you say. I'm just warning you.
You want me to say more than that?
I don't care.
What do you want me to say,
I'll just
Dad?
put parental advisory in the description and go on. We're near Augusta, right?
White River Relief. That is where you're supposed to stop and pee off the bridge.
No, you fish off of it.
Relief? That's what relief says to me.
Yeah. White River.
White
Relief.
River Relief. You pee off that one too. Girls, boys.
You're not okay. I keep getting the door jam in the
Well, here's
picture.
the third relief.
Well,
They got a whole family of them.
Look at that center pivot out there.
I didn't see it.
Well, it's got a glimpse of it. Looks like it's about halfway up on it.
Yeah. Will it run it?
Yep. Run them electric motors.
doesn't that make sense?
I didn't realize it had. I didn't know what it had. I don't know nothing about center pivot.
It's got to have some kind of motor to pivot.
Yeah. True. Well, them wealthy farmers got plenty of insurance. Insurance.
Oh, here's your big Tom.
Green thumb right there.
Oh, my word. Oh, you poor things.
It did not help to have it
Big-
up on the post.
Big Green
either.
Tom Lake. I don't think there was a thumb in it.
Big Tom Green Lake.
I think so.
Excuse me.
Tom Thumb was a little big man, wasn't he, or boy?
I don't know what Tom Thumb
There was a
was.
little bitty woman to go with him. And I don't know what her name was. Little woman?
Holy moly. Woodruff County. Oh my, this is just over to the left, y'all.
Oh, great.
Let's see it, the
You know
tree.
who caused all this? Human being. Changing the earth.
Messed it up.
Part of them was called Corps of Engineers. To work.
Oh man, yes. Over on the right.
I'm looking.
Is it in that house yet?
Oh gosh, it would have to
Maybe
be.
if it ain't, it's close.
Oh, I'd say it is in it. I'd say it's in it.
Okay, here's a White River coming up on the White River Bridge.
And this is going up onto the bridge, and then the river channel starts.
On the other side of those trees.
Yep. I guess so. Over here, right? There it is.
Holy moly.
Ooh,
Look at how nasty
it
it
is
is.
moving too. It is moving. It's all out
Oh,
in
it's
here.
down in the trees
Look
and
at this.
everything.
It's all out in here. Holy mackerel.
There it is again.
Wow. Here's those vehicles still parked.
Yeah, I think that's a different set of vehicles. So how many times did we cross the White River today?
There's a for sale sign down there. Oops. Yeah, get a picture of that.
I did. I'm recording it. Here's Bungie coming up.
That's Bunge. Goose Pond Slough.
What kind of pond?
Goose Pond.
Goose. Yeah, I've
Goose
heard of it.
Pond Slough.
Bungie's other entrance. Holy moly, look at this. Big city of Augusta, population 2,199.